When your EETV mini box won't power on, the first step is checking your power adapter. The correct specifications are 12 volts and 1.5 amps. Check that your power cable isn't damaged. Look for any visible cracks, bends, or fraying along the entire length of the cable. Try a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues. Then perform a power reset by unplugging the device for at least 30 seconds. Now let's address connection problems. Network issues are often the culprit when your streaming quality is poor or connections drop frequently. Start by restarting your router. This simple step resolves many connectivity issues by refreshing your network connection. Check your internet speed. You need a minimum of 10 megabits per second for HD streaming. Slower speeds will cause buffering and poor video quality. Try switching between Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections to isolate the problem. Ethernet provides more stable connections for streaming. For HDMI connection problems, start by checking that your HDMI cable is properly connected and try different HDMI ports on your TV. HDMI issues can prevent video and audio from reaching your TV. Let's check the most common solutions. If problems persist, try using a high-quality HDMI cable rated for HDMI 2.0 or higher. This ensures compatibility with modern streaming requirements. These troubleshooting steps resolve most power and connection issues with EETV mini boxes. Following this systematic approach will help you identify and fix problems quickly. When your EETV mini box experiences boot failures, you'll typically see symptoms like being stuck on the startup screen, continuous restart loops, or complete failure to initialize. These issues require systematic troubleshooting approaches. The first troubleshooting step is performing a factory reset. Locate the small, recessed reset button on your device. It's usually on the back or bottom panel. Hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds while the device is powered on. If the factory reset doesn't resolve the boot failure, you may need to perform firmware recovery. This involves downloading the latest firmware from the EE Support website and using a USB recovery method if your device supports it. Prevention is better than cure. Establish a regular maintenance routine to keep your EETV mini box running smoothly. Perform monthly device restarts, clean dust from vents quarterly, and inspect all cables annually. Protect your device from environmental factors and power issues. Ensure proper ventilation around the device, maintain optimal room temperature, and always use surge protectors to guard against power fluctuations that can damage sensitive electronics.